I'd like to show you what I found in my garden. I found some exoskeletons of nymphs of cicadas. Those are cicadas that you hear in the background making all the noise. But they start off in the ground and later come out and completely change form and leave their exoskeletons behind. Here are the exoskeletons. If you look at them, you'll see that they actually look like insects. And they have a hole in the back where the winged form came out and dried off their lacy wings and flew away, and is now living in trees where you hear them making all this noise.